Uzman asks, can you please explain a little bit of the role of SQL in data science? Is it used only for data storage and extracting? Is it only used for data storage and extracting? Well, the short answer is yes, but I mean but you're covering a lot of ground there when you say that it's used for extracting, right? Like there's a million ways to extract data in SQL, right? So yeah, I mean it is only only used SQL for extracting, but it's a lot, right? There's a lot to it. I think that sometimes as students or as people who don't have like enterprise experience, it's hard to understand exactly how complex some of the databases are in big environments, right? Like you're going to see some database schemas that are super complex. So yes, you're using SQL only for extracting, but you're going to be writing some pretty complex SQL. Like it gets complex quickly with, the different joins, subqueries. Sometimes you're doing some data transforms, some lookups within SQL. So yeah, it's extracting it, but you're going to be writing some really significant queries with it, right? So to me, SQL has always been valuable throughout my career. I learned it, basically as soon as I graduated college, so like early 2000s. And I've used it in just about every project. And I'm glad you're looking at this, Uzman, because sometimes on data science when you're on the small teams, there isn't going to be a dedicated data engineer, right? You're going to have to pull your own data. There's not always going to be somebody out there who's going to produce a nice data pipeline for you. So it's good for you to know SQL because there are going to be times when you need to do your own data queries and seeking out those types of things. So it's good that you're looking at it, but don't think it's just for extracting. I mean, it's a very powerful language. You're going to use it for a lot of different things, okay?